Hello guys again. Now we want going to talk about railing. If you want to add a railing alone like this, so let's draw railing in the plan mode first so you can decide the distance and how long the railing and the shape that you want. Maybe you can choose from loud shape or you can draw the shape that you want. As you see, and now you see that the corner is like curve. You can change it to sharp like this, and let's draw railing like this for example. And now you can finish the shape from clicking to the right click like this and go to perspective mode to change and see the railing that you add. So if you want to zoom to the shape that you create, just click on this button sorry, and you will get into your shape like this. So as you can see here, you can make the shape closed like this, or this is step for tearing, and this, or switch this side, so like this. There is no different. And here to save the style, the elevation, if you want to add it to the upstairs. And also we had the material for railing post. Let's change it for this. For example, it is for post material, and here for cap style like this, or you can choose none if you want. And here for post size and the max spacing between the post. So let's move to the top railing here to change the top railing. So after that you can change the material of the top railing like this, and also the height of the top railing. As you see, you can add the height manually here. So maybe you can choose 1 meter for example like this. So also the bottom railing, you can change the type of the bottom railing like this. So after that you can change the material if you want, for example. So the plasters like this, we had a model. So you can choose the model maybe like this, for example, and here the weight. So the weight can't be changed for this material, so let's choose this material, and here is the weight and the spacing, and here we get the length of the railing that you add. So now let's move to the patio. Let's go to the plan mode and delete the railing. Just select the railing and press on delete on the keyboard. So now we want to draw the patio. So just drawing the patio, the shape that you want. So let's choose from the shape load like this, maybe like this. And if you want to edit the point or see the distance, you can click on edit the point like this. And now let's move to the perspective mode. So here you will find this option. If you click on this, you can see the plan mode with different material between the perspective mode. If you remove it, the material will be the same between the two option, plan and perspective mode. So let's move to the perspective mode and change the material of the patio. Maybe patio with this material. Here to change the size, the angle, the offset and shyness of this material. And here to change the elevation and the height, and you can add the height manually from this box. So after that we can edit the border like this. You can change the border material and you can add the same material of the patio if you want. So here is the border type also. This is a flat. Let's see like this. Now look what happened. Let's move to flat and this and seamless like this. It seems that you don't have a different border. Or let's move to flat, and here you can change the length, also the height of this border like this. It is the height like this. I don't know is the difference is clear for you or not when I change the height. Look, this is the height is changed like this or like this. Hope it's clear to you. So maybe this is the overhang like this also. So now if I change the height of this patio, you can see the change of the length and the height like this. Look at the height. So now let's move. This is the overhang like this, and let's move to edit border. If you want to remove the border from this side, just click or click again to add. So we can remove the border from this sizes. For example, if you want to add it close to the house, for example, or if you want to add stairs, for example. So now guys, this patio need a stairs. Before we got the information about the area of the patio that we create and the perimeter like this. So let's add a patio, stairs, and move to the plan mode. So we want to add the patio stairs in this area just click the right click to finish the shape like this. So here you will see the patio like this. So we need the patio to be exact in this area. So if you close the shape like this, you will see that there is a places. So just go to the edit point and place it like this. So for example, we don't want to draw it exactly, but just to know. So also it's very high to the patio. So first let's check this is the material of the stairs. As you see, you can change it like this for example, or you can add the same of patio material like this. Just click on patio and select copy of the material and click here to select piece to this stairs for example. So this option, you know what it work. So after that we got the height of the stairs. As you see, this height is related for the top of the stairs. So if you want to set the tool of this stairs, you must to set the elevation. So this is 0.91 meter. So go to this stairs and check the height. It is 0.1. Just go to the stairs and go to the elevation and set it like patio. So you will get the same high level. So this is the overhang and type. You can choose the flat. It's same as the border of the patio. Rough out like this. And now it's the overhang and the max raise of your stairs. You can change it. You can, if you increase the max raise, you will less the stairs, or you can increase it like this. So also the tread run, you will increase the spaces, or the one stairs will be bigger. So you can change the style that you want, or the customer, or the photo that you have for your design, for example. So after that, this is auto calculate the total raise. It's better to select it, or you can choose the total raise of the place that you want, like this. Look. So I prefer to be auto calculate the total raise. So here you can change the shape to be closed. Sorry. Like this to complete the shape, and here to switch this side like this. So maybe when you draw the patio, you will see this, you will see it like this. You can just click on switch the side to change it. And here the thread material, you can change the thread material. This is for example, and this is the properties of the material, and this is the razor. You can use a default material, or if you click on it, you can change it to another material. Here the razor is not clear to you, so I need to change the overhang like this and the max raise to see the razor like this. And here you can change the razor, and also you can choose the same material of the patio. So that was for material or patio stairs. So hope that's clear to you. So now let's delete this to talk about relating wall. As you see, the grid is turned off. Here you can turn it on. So now if you want to add a wall, just click to this and draw the wall that you want. Just to finish the shape, we said before, just click to the right, click like this. So go to the perspective mode to see the wall that we have, and here to change the material for our wall like this. And here is the size of the material and the same properties of our material. This is the elevation of our wall like this. If you want to add a wall, and this is for a weight, you can add the elevation and weight manually. And here to make the shape closed and switch the side, and this is tipped for tearing and auto wall high if you want to add auto wall high. This is for edit point, and this is to change the shape, and it is for high. Also you can add the high manually. And this cut tearing is related to the tearing. We will talk about it when we talk about tearing here like this. And here we got the information of the length of your wall. So the last thing of building tools, we have the accent shape and accent strip. So let's move first for accent shape and create the shape of accent that we want to add like this, for example. And here we got the accent like this. Here is the max elevation. So let's change the material to make it like this, for example, and it's for adding border. Also the border weight. So the accent, it's look like a patio, but it is exactly on the floor. It can't be high. So this is the max elevation that you can add. So also the border, it consists with one color only like this, and here you can edit the point and the shape like this. But if you add accent strip, it's look like this. For example, you will see the accent strip, it's just like a strip or border for a thing. And also you can change the weight of this accent strip, and also you can add a border for this accent strip. So this is if you want to make a a street or walk places or something, you can add accent strip with border like this. And also you can switch the side if you want, edit the point, change the shape, and here we got the information about area, length, perimeter, like this. So this is was for accent and strip, and here we complete the building tools. Hope that is clear. So here we got is the terrain, the road, the landscape, the water feature, swimming pool, utilized and modeling, and we talk about the plan details before. So we had a lot of information more. So keep watching the video, and if you have any question, you can write it in the comment, and I will answer all of your questions. And I will answer all of your questions, and hope everything is clear. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.